What's up guys, David Moss Jr. here, and in this video, if you like hunting, I'm out here at Three Pines Preserve in just north of Tampa, Florida, and we're gonna go for a pheasant hunt. They do pheasant and quail hunting here. Let's go check it out. It's crazy how you can go from like the city, major highways, just a few minutes off, and you're in the middle of nowhere. And hey, before we get to the actual hunt, I'm just curious if you're watching this video, if you're into hunting and you have any really cool excursions that you think I should try to go on, let me know in the comments below. Let's go kill some birds.
Yes, let's go.
Let's do it. So here's how it works. We're at this bale of hay. In this area is a tower where the birds are gonna come out. They're gonna blow a horn. We get ready. Hopefully a bird flies over us. Pop! We hit it. It falls right here. We grab it and we eat it.
Load! Load! Get going! They're gonna send them.
Do we really? What happens? I don't know.
Ready. What do you mean what happens? That's the green light. Now you can shoot. Landed in the tree.
A lot of birds getting away.
It's flying high. Now we clear, and then we're gonna go to 2. Flushers, and the one dog will point them. Yeah! That one! Whoop, 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 whoop.
Tooski. Tooski.
Dude, that was you too, Junior. Good job.
Just that bird. What's up? Pretty much, dude. All the concrete in the back and the front come. Oh. Oh, baby. Bro, we got 6 birds at that station. Should we get 6 more?
Yeah, we just need the ribbon bird.
Let's get the ribbon
All the
bird.
money.
Win that money. There we go. There we go. This is our chance. Got him, baby. Oh. Ah, he's too high.
Oh, it's ribbon.
Got it! Got it! Woo-hoo-hoo! Ribbon, baby! Dude, hey! Ribbon! Got the ribbon!
Yanked it right off the bird.
Bro, this is so freaking fun. We just got the ribbon bird. Not sure what it's worth yet, but could be worth like $20,000 or something.
Yeah, we're going all in.
All in. baby.
Got him.
There we go. That's gonna be badass. Well, that was a freaking blast. We killed a lot of birds.
Yes.
A lot of birds. So now we're gonna go and get them ready to eat. And we're gonna eat them. Well, guys, that's a wrap. We shot 119 birds as a group. I shot 20. Brandon shot about 10. Got the ribbon bird, won a little money. That's so cool. This was such a great time. Just had some food. Got some leftover pheasant that we're gonna go home and cook tonight for dinner. I gotta say, if you're into pheasant hunting, quail hunting, and you're anywhere close to Tampa, Florida, you need to check this place out. Three Pines Preserve. Book yourself a hunt. This place is awesome. And no, this is not a paid sponsorship video or anything like that. I truly just like to spread awareness of really fun places where you can have some really fun times with your friends and your family. So if you like this video, please show some love and hit the like button. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If you're into my kind of content, which is all over the place, but just a lot of fun, subscribe. Otherwise, have a great day and God bless.